information about this video. So I was working on this 2020 Cascadia, Freightliner Cascadia, the newer body style. This truck had a code ACM not communicating with the MCM and the CPC. So here what I found: SPN 62517, SPN 625 FMI 18, and SPN 1231 FMI 9. So this harness from ACM one box to the MCM, I check everything and found a lot of spots when they manufactured the truck didn't insulate the harness properly. Found a lot of spots, the harness goes bad. So I end up changing the harness, but some of the faults were still there. So I had to change this complete harness from one box toward the MCM. Plus, I had to change the harness for the complete one box from the ACM to the one box, all the sensor harnesses on the one box. And some trucks, I see the codes of suit sensor, missing can. So probably that's the one box harness too, and the def tank heater temperature sensor open circuit high, even after changing the header unit on a def tank. If the code's still there, better to check. There's a harness from the one box to the def tank. Open, remove the harness, remove the insulation, and better to change the harness. But if you couldn't find the harness in the stock somewhere, better to get that harness repaired. Hopefully they'll fix your truck, and I hope this video might be helpful for people stuck with that kind of faults. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and comment any suggestions. I'm not too fancy on videos, but I try to give you much information I could. Hope you have a good day and drive safe, everybody.